To convert photos and pictures to JPG format, you have to start by opening a Google Play Store, and we have to use external application, so just input this phrase. And you can also search for this specific application, Convert Images to JPG by Double Ape Developer. So click Open after downloading and select images that you want to convert. So in my case, I'm gonna do this with this one. And here select Convert to JPG. Tap on it once. You will get pop-up ad because it's a completely free application, so that's how I actually earn money, and I mean the developer. And now after a few seconds you can just turn it off by clicking X. There we go. And now, as you can see, the file was saved and it should be actually located in a gallery. This is the path of ours, so storage, pictures, JPG images. So we have to go into My Files, into Images, internal storage. We have to search for pictures, JPG images, and let's find out. If we go for some details, then yeah, it was actually covered to JPG, but if I go into gallery and show you this photo for the first time, then, oh yeah, it's also available in the gallery, but this is actually the photo that we just changed. So in the details, as you can see, there's the different format. So that's how we can actually do this. Quite simple, right?